I'm Heritage Insurance Chief Meteorologist Rob Kupek. This is a look at the Jetstream map here for this coming weekend. And basically, the jet has taken a pretty big dip down here coming up across Baja California into the north. And what that is going to do is interact, obviously, with some pretty cold Arctic air up here and create potentially kind of a historic ice storm down across the southern United States. But this jet being a little further south, originally the models were predicting a little bit more of this moisture into California. That is not happening. There are some showers that are a possibility right along the coast and particularly southern California, but it looks like much of the rest of the month now will be dry into the beginning of February. But again, boy, through much of the south central part of the U.S. into the mid-Atlantic states, this could really be a record-breaking ice storm. Here's a look at snow on the ground, snow depth as of the 22nd here of January. And you can see where those clipper systems have really been going along the Canadian border into northeast North Dakota, northwest Minnesota. That's where we're seeing the most snow. This lighter blue here is about 2 to 4 inches, and then the next shade 4 to about 9.5, and then a few spots getting up close above 10 inches or so of snow, and a little bit more to our neighbors to the north across the border in Manitoba. But you can see the southwest and the west fairly light, even southeast North Dakota. There is not a lot, a little bit more in the Red River Valley, but outside of the valley, there is not much in the way of snow. There's forecast for northwest Minnesota. Very cold this weekend. 20s below right into Monday for lows, sub-zero highs. Monday, maybe a little dusting or snow, maybe an inch or two at the most, high about 9. We've got some more sub-zero temperatures next week, and kind of breezy in here Tuesday and Wednesday. So wind chill values will be fairly low. We'll start to climb out of this as we head towards next weekend. So we head into February, things will get a little kinder and gentler. It is mostly looking dry. I suppose there could be a little clipper system in there, but the models aren't really picking up on anything at the moment. We'll start that last day of January, beginning of February in the mid-teens, and then by the end of the week there, we should be up into the low 30s.